going to be doing a wig review. Finally, I feel like it's been a minute since I did a wig review. This is the Equal or Freetress Equal in the style Brisa. I believe that's how you say it. Hopefully I'm saying it right. This is what it is, and it's in the color CM Brownie. I'm so excited. This is a wig with bangs. I haven't had bangs in the longest, but I feel like fall will be a good time to have bangs because I won't be sweating and my bangs won't be wet from my sweat. So let me get her out of the packaging. So here she is. The color is gorgeous, and these are the bangs. There is lace on the top, so you don't have like that circle closure, which is a good thing. So it looks more natural, as you guys can see my nail. There is lace in the front, so you're gonna have to cut the lace off of that. And then it does have combs on the sides, and then a comb in the back with adjustable straps. So I'm going to cut the lace. I'm probably going to have to cut the bangs because usually they give you extra hair right here so that you can cut them and frame your face. Just in case you have like a longer forehead or a longer head, you'll have enough hair. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So let me cut the lace and I will put it on my head so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like straight off the packaging. The bangs are extremely long. Well, I can't see, so I'm going to cut them down some so that it, you know, so I can have them straight across without me having to split them. I always get nervous cutting wigs because I think I'm going to mess up, but we're going to try our best to do our best. So it's already parted, so that's always makes it easier. So, from what I remember, you grab it with your hand. I'm going to have it like right here so that I can see, basically. So I'm going to cut this much off. So we're just going to twist it, and then I'm going to grab it with this hand, and then I'm going to cut it. I'm so scared. So scared. But okay. So we go under, and then you just, I didn't even put anything under me. Wow. These aren't the sharpest scissors, so that kind of sucks. This is why I don't show me cutting things, because I'm not very good. Oh my god. It's so uneven. Oh, it's so uneven. I mean, I guess it's not too bad. I'm just going to leave it like that, but there you go. That's how you cut some bangs. Not properly, but it's a lot better, as you guys can see. Of course, no one's going to be like, oh my god, your bangs are so uneven, because you can't really tell, but now I can see. Okay, so I really like this hair. Hopefully the lighting's better, because my lighting has been like super off lately, and it's getting me like super washed out. But I checked my bangs. They don't look bad at all. I think they look pretty good. I feel like no one's going to notice the little unevenness a little bit, but it's not a big deal. But if you want to cut your bangs to be shorter, because they do give you a lot of bangs, that is the easy way to do it. Just use like sharp scissors, because literally it was hard for me to like cut through. So just use scissors that are super sharp. I didn't even use hair scissors. These are like paper scissors. So it is what it is. It's just a wig, so it's not like a big deal. It's not like it's your real hair. But I just like how soft it is and how silky and smooth it is. There's no tangles, which I like. The color is super nice. You get that ombre kind of effect. So you have a darker root, and then it gets lighter to like this caramel brown. Like, it's not too light. I feel like this is a really good fall wig. They have a whole bunch of other colors, as you guys can see. But, like, it seems like there's only, like, the lighter color in the middle. And then it gets darker on the bottom part. And then it's darker on the roots. So it's kind of cool. It has, like, a different look, a different dye. So I like that. These bangs are gorgeous. It's not too thin. It's not the see-through bangs, which I like. It gives you more coverage, so you don't have to do your eyebrows. Literally, you won't have to do your eyebrows if you don't want to. That's a good thing about bangs. Like, you don't have to worry about foundation up here. You don't have to worry about your eyebrows. You kind of really don't even have to worry about your your eyeshadow. Just basically this half of your face, which is nice. I like that. This is what the parting looks like. I think it looks really nice. I didn't add any powder or anything to it. If you want, you can part your bangs like that. I don't know why you would want to do that because that kind of looks crazy, but you can part your bangs wherever you want, since there is lace on this wig, which is nice to have an option if you want to part your hair instead of it being like that, you know, how they have the circle closure where you can definitely tell that it's a wig. So this is not as clockable as that one, which is a good thing. People will think this is your scalp and then this hair is yours, you feel me, which I like. It's very secure on my head as well. It's not too long. It goes to like my chest, so it's like a nice length. I feel like you get a lot of hair. It's like super thick, which is nice. Like, I like that it is really thick. I don't know, this hair just feels really nice. I like it. I like the color. I like the cut. Well, kind of have to finesse the cut. But other than that, it is super nice. Let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comment section below, because I'd love to know. Or if you've tried this hair before. I don't know if this is the one with the blend, but I know I got a wig that's like a blend. I don't think this one is, though. Let me open it up and see what's inside. What we got inside. Oh, it's just showing you the care instruction and like the other stuff that they have in the line. This is an Italian lace, 100% hand tied, so it's supposed to be more natural looking. Let me lift the bangs. Well, obviously it's flappy a little bit, but like if you lift the bangs, it's pretty natural, as you guys can see. The hairline. The lace doesn't go all the way to the sides. It's just in the bangs, as you guys saw earlier. But I think that's all I can say about this wig. I pray that the lighting is okay, because I'm trying to fix or figure out how to get the lighting right. But this is this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like hair reviews, and don't forget to leave a comment whether you like it, hate it, or whatever in the comment section below. And if you're interested in this wig, I'll leave a link to where I got it in the description box below. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!